Hello all, we are going to view mode configuration parameters. Contains the parameters related to the operating modes of the indoor unit. Default parameter settings are as specified, with the values written to DPT 20.05 byte type control mode group object, 0 auto, 1 heating, 3 cooling, 9 fan, and 14 dry dehumidification mode can be activated. When the indoor unit switches to the specified operating mode, feedback will be sent via status mode group object. Operation mode info can also be obtained by reading the same group object. With this parameter, group object that allows switching between heating and cooling modes can be activated. Cooling mode can be activated by writing a value of 0 to the 1-bit control mode group object, and heating mode can be activated by writing a value of 1. When the indoor unit switches to the specified operating mode, a feedback will be sent via the status mode object as 1 if it is in heating mode and 0 if it is in cooling mode. With this parameter, 1-bit group objects can be activated for each operating mode. The specified operating mode can be activated with the value 1 written to the 1-bit control mode group object, which belongs to the relevant operating mode. When the indoor unit switches to the specified operation mode, a feedback with the value of 1 will be sent via the relevant status mode object. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Bye for now.